How to know if someone saved your number in WhatsApp. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. To know if someone saved a number in WhatsApp, it's pretty simple. Just open up your WhatsApp application and you have to tap on the user that you want to know if they have saved a number or not. Now where you tap on the user and try to send a message, it should be automatically delivered and it should have a tick mark. The tick mark denotes that they have been notified, which means they have saved your number. Now another useful hint is that you can actually go ahead and tap on the username of the person. When you tap on the username and it displays their profile, it most likely indicates that they have saved a number. Isn't it simple? So those were two of the hacks to know if someone saved your number in WhatsApp or not. If you face any of the glitch or bug issue during this process, check out this step. Press and hold onto your WhatsApp application and head to App Info. Force stop it and head to Storage and Cache to clear up the cache. This will help with the bug and the glitch issue. Open up your Play Store. In your Play Store or App Store, you have to go ahead and check for an update for your WhatsApp application. If there is an update, just leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.